Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to view browsing history in Chrome browser. Friends, if you want to see which website pages you had visited few days back, then you simply need to open your Chrome browser. In your Chrome browser, you need to press on these three dots and here you need to press on history. So here you can see all the websites you have visited on your Chrome browser. Like on 11th October, I have visited these websites. I can see the history of any particular date. Like it is showing the history of pages I visited on 9th October. So friends, like this you can very easily see the browsing history in Chrome browser. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.